In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Roblox mobile app. So let's get started. First thing, just come inside Roblox. To the rightmost bottom, you'll be having the more icon. Just select it. Here, if you just scroll down, we'll be having settings. Click on that. In settings, first option will be account info. Select it. Here, if you just scroll down, we'll be having language. Click on this drop down and select the language of your choice. We have these many languages to choose from. Roblox will just reload, and as you can see, the language has been changed everywhere. Even if I go to settings, it's a different language. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.